Welcome back to Midcap Radar. Well, one particular pocket of the market or one particular segment of the market that's doing very well is the entire textile pack. This is rallying post Trump's tariffs as Trump has imposed a 35% tariff on exports from Bangladesh. Vinnii now joins in with more details.
Hi, good afternoon. So yes, in terms of the tariffs that have been imposed on Bangladesh, that is at a 35% right, 35% rate. Now, obviously, what it was previously for Bangladesh was 37%, so a slight bit of a reduction there. Now, other than that, for textile players, also Vietnam, when you're looking at it, US has imposed 20% tariff rates on them as well. Now, India currently is at 26% in terms of tariffs for textile. So, obviously, you will see that benefit coming in for India versus Bangladesh because 35% versus 26%. So that is a benefit there. Now, other than that, market share. If this continues and this 26% rate is still there for India after we actually see the deal happening between India and US, then obviously we'll see a bit of an advantage coming in on that front as well, because market share of India is just at 6% in terms of what we are importing. Overall imports to the US from India is just 6%. Then we have Vietnam, which is at 19%, and Bangladesh, which is at 9%. So we'll stand to gain versus, Bangladesh or China as well. Vietnam currently, they have an upper hand versus India, given that their rate is 20% versus 26%. Now, obviously, if the deal goes through, competitive edge and the tariffs are lowered for India or remain at this rate, then we'll have a competitive edge versus other exporting countries, except for Vietnam. And if the rates remain unchanged, then Vietnam will continue to have a competitive edge over India as well. So important to watch out for. But today, because Bangladesh's rate is at 35%, which is higher than India, as of now, we'll wait out for our trade deals coming in as well. Textile stocks are waiting, given that benefit coming in there.
Oh, yes.